Yes, Kayjo farms, we received our goats last time and we injected them with the Oxy 20% and the other antibiotics. But there is one that had flu. There was persistent flu and cough. So as you can see it in the video, though it's running away, it has flu and cough. So we decided to give it some medicine for cough, antibiotics. Let me show you. Here we have an antibiotic called tyrosine. You can open it, this one here. Yeah, this is tyrosine. It's good for cough and flu. We are told to give it 3 meals for 3 days. And there is also an antibiotic called the Oxy 10% or 20%. This one is 20%. It's a bacteriostatic drug which poses all the disease inside the goat, whatever disease that is there, any bacteria, so that it doesn't multiply, so that the goat can regain its immunity. So we gave it Oxy 20% and we also gave it tyrosine. And these are the injections that we used. The injection that we used, this one here, is around 20k. So we said we are going to give it 3 meals and 2 meals of Oxy 20%. Needles that we are using. So we are going to be monitoring it and seeing the progress. I'll be updating you for our next dose so that we can see the improvements. Let's enjoy the view. You can see this goat here in front of us. Last time it had flu and cough, running flu. It had a runny nose, and now it's fine. That's the progress. We gave it 2 meals of Oxy 20% and 3 meals of tyrosine. Yes, and it was okay. It was advised to give it for three days. Yeah, 3 days consecutively. But some skip the second day. Others see if the goat becomes well after the first shot and just leave it like that until it gets healed. So right now you can see it's very okay, jumping around. Remember, it was 2 meals of Oxy 20% and 3 meals of tyrosine consecutively for 3 days. Now it's fine. Yes, there's also a disease we got. This one, as you can see here, it was this one, this brown one with black. It had runny eyes. Tears were coming out of its eyes. And we gave it 5 meals of Oxy 20% and 2 drops in each eye for 3 days. The first day, Oxy 20%, 5 meals only once. Then the next 3 days, you give it 2 drops in each eye of Oxy 20%. And now it is also fine. Yes. So if you ever get such a thing, you can do that, and your goats will be fine. So this is progress. You can also do it. You can also make research and know what to do. Every disease has a solution in goats. You do not have to suffer. So the flu went. The eyes are okay, and now we are still progressing, learning and learning as we go on. You can also do it. So these ones are from being sprayed. They are now resting and drying off. See you.